Hello, my name is Sam. I am 9 years old now. Yeah. A few days ago, my homemade Ninjago Lego set went missing. So I started scattering around the house and found this box. And in it, I saw some parts from that homemade set. So today, we'll fix this together. Here, let's go to the table. So this is what it is made of. Yeah, it is like wholly scattered. I don't know what make it, but I do know that it is broken. Okay. Some of these pieces are hard to put on. This thing goes here, and let's finish the wheels, and then the and then the legs, and then out. And then I'm going to just unfold it out so I could find a good spot to put this. Okay, I'm going to fold it in again. Okay, it's fixed. Let's put it on the shelf again. Pretty nice. Bye-bye.